Your kindergarten students, it's Mrs. Peterson. I miss you all so much, and today we are going to work on addition, adding. We know that this is the plus sign. Plus means put things together. So earlier this week we worked on adding 0 and adding 1. Let's look. We have 2 plus 0. Let's see if you can do it with me. If we have 2 and no more, what would our answer be? And I have fun little sun stickers. I'm hoping it's sunny this week. So if I have 2 sun stickers on my hand and I add no more, 0 more, that would still be 2, correct? So our answer would go here, 2. And now if I had 2, I'm going to jump, let's jump here. Now if I had 4 and I still added 0, so first we need 4 sun stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I add plus 0 more, no more. I'm not adding anything. I still have 4. My answer stays the same. So my 4 would go here. Now let's jump down to plus 1. So let's start with 2 and add 1 more. So we know when we add 1 more to a number, it makes the next number. It goes up by 1. So I'm starting with 2 sun stickers, and then I'm going to add 1 more. Think in your mind what that answer is going to be. If I add 1 more, 2 plus 1 more makes 3. You got it. And then if I start with, over here, 4, let's put 1, 2, 3. I just need to add 1 more there. If I have 4 sun stickers and I add 1 more, think in your mind, how many is it going to equal? Adding just 1 more, put it over here. 1 more than 4 is 5. We have 4 and count on 1 more, 5. All right. Well, today we are going to work on solving some addition equations using some different strategies. I have 3 strategies for you today. So our target today says, let's read together. I can use my fingers, objects like our math tools or any counters, or drawings, draw a picture, to solve addition equations to 5. So that means figuring out addition equations. I have an addition equation here that we're going to work on today and use some strategies to solve it. So my 3 strategies for you today, addition strategies, we have use fingers. We can use our fingers to help us add. We can use objects or counters to help us add. And we can make a picture or make a drawing to help us solve an equation. So let's start first with using our fingers, and we're going to look at this equation. Let's say it together. Ready? Read. 3 plus 2 equals, we need to think about how many all together if we add 3 and 2 more. With using our fingers, we put the first number on our fingers, 3. Go ahead and show me 3 on your fingers. And then you're adding, we don't take any away, we're adding 2 more. So let's add 1, 2 more. That makes 5. We can also use a good strategy called grab and count on. We grab the biggest number and then we count on after that. So we know that 3 is bigger than 2. If we grab 3 and count on 2 more, we find our answer. Let's try it. And we grab it and we put it in our mind. All right, here we go. Ready? 3 3. Count on after 3 is 4, 5. Let's try that again. 3. Count on, we're adding 2 more. 4, 5. So our answer is 5. Let's add that here. So we can use our fingers for a strategy. We can grab and count up when we're adding. We can also use objects. So you can use any objects at home. You could use pennies, you could use little mini marshmallows or toothpicks, any small object. Today I'm going to use these circle magnets, and I'm going to show our equation 3 plus 2. So I need 3 of my green circles. There we go. And then I have blue circles. I don't have to have a different color, but it's nice sometimes. I'm going to add 2 blue circles. And then I can count up all together the total to find my answer. So I know I don't have to come back and count this 1, 2. I know that is 3, and I can count on after 3 comes 4, 5. My answer is 5. All together, 3 and 2 makes 5. So that is how we use objects to solve an addition equation, adding. And then, instead of objects, you could also make a picture. So I had 3 green circles, but I could draw that. I could draw first my 3 circles. Here I go, 1, 2, 3. And then I could add and draw my 2 circles. I don't have to color them in. My 2 blues. I'll put those down, and now I'm drawing 2 more. Sometimes I like to leave a space and then show the others. So I have 3 circles, 3 plus, and I added 2 more here. 3 plus 2. We count on, or we say the biggest number, 3, and count on. Ready? 3, 4, 5. And that is my total. 5 is my answer. How many all together? So today we've learned how to solve an addition equation. We can use our fingers to help us. We can use objects to help us add them together. We can make a picture to help us solve an equation. So I hope this helps, and when you practice your adding sheet, use some of these strategies to help you during your work. All right, take care. Bye-bye, friends.